Hot diggity dog. Do you like food? College food? What about college housing? Because this may be the show for you. Because I'm Nick, the videographer dude for Student Housing and Dining Services.
Really?
Yes, really. And over here on my right is
Alex.
Why are you still here? Why haven't we gotten a new co-host?
Well, you see, I've been hiring students.
That's so true.
So soon to be new co-hosts.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Anyways, Alex is still here. What do you do?
I do social media things, so follow us on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube or LinkedIn if you're into that.
It's a social media too.
It is.
Just more professional. This month, we've got a lot of exciting stuff going on for October. We've got CA Recruitment, a very special open house extravaganza.
Let's go.
The Aggie Eats food truck. But first, we need to talk about events at the Gun Rock.
The Gun Rock? You mean the place where you can watch sports and have dessert and have a beer and throw darts and foosball?
Yes.
If you did not know, you can host your event there. There's tons of space.
If you want to co-host at the Gun Rock, you can do many different things. You can do trivia nights, open mic nights, bingo, game nights, video game tournaments, art shows, and more.
If you want to sign up to do this, you can go down into the description of this video. There's a link that says Gun Rock signups, and you can go do that.
Do it, nerd. That sounds bodacious. What's also bodacious is the open house event at Sage Street on October 24th.
Wait, when?
October 24th.
What time?
4 to 7 p.m.
Nice.
Bangin Bowls will have some certifiably bangin' food bowls.
If you haven't tried them, they're very good. I highly recommend also their plantains.
Yes, they are very delicious. Certifiably bangin'. Pete's will also be open until 7 p.m., so go get your coffee. 10% off Bangin Bowls to the first 75 guests, so be one of them. Be early.
We're also going to be hiding these cute...
We don't have them.
Wait, JJ, go next door. Can you get us a stress cap? Also, we'll be hiding throughout Sage Street's market and cafe areas the coveted stress cap. So you can find one of these.
Yes.
And what else are we giving away?
We're doing raffle prizes.
Ooh.
One of them is a 65-inch big boy TV.
And in spirit of the spooky season, there'll be pumpkin paint.
I'm scared.
I can smell you.
Wow, I am absolutely hungry even though we just ate at the Gun Rock.
Hungry for some CA recruitment info?
What is a CA?
A CA is a community advisor. It's our version of a residential advisor, an RA. We have CAs because we're special like that. Alex, do you have any more info?
Well, being a CA is pretty great. You get a lot of great benefits. One of those, of course, includes room and board
We love
for
that.
your academic year that you're a CA. You're going to be a leader within the residence halls, helping with community building. And if you're currently living in the residence halls, you can kind of see what your CAs are doing and see if you would maybe see yourself in that position. You need to apply, though, by November 15th.
November 15th.
And you can do that by going down into this description and finding the link that says CA applications.
Yes, somewhere down there. That sounds hecking sicko mode. What's also hecking sicko mode is the Aggie Eats food truck.
What is that?
So, it's this really cool, semi-new food truck on campus that basically allows you to pay what you want for meals at various locations around campus. They're serving meals typically in the lunchtime area, so like 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., or until they're sold out of food. And you can go to the link below and to find more about our Aggie Eats food truck.
And it's great, because all that food is made fresh daily from chefs at the DCs. And, I mean, a pay what you can program. Like,
Super
it's pretty
nice.
great.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's
And you can
pretty
pay
sweet.
it forward if you want.
You can.
There's so much cool stuff happening this October.
Right?
Like my birthday. I'm just kidding.
Shut up. I cannot wait. You want to know what else I can't wait for?
What?
The
Next
next
Campus
Campus Cravings. We'll see you there.